clean as a whistle. I went through, I want to say 2, 3 of these batteries. One to remove the grout, another one to remove the thinset. I got through, I don't know if you could see, but straight to the tile, pretty clean cut. This works, but it's not the most ideal vacuum for this. I went through about 4 batteries maybe to get the whole thing done, but you know, it got it done. So it works, and this thinset was creating a lot of dust, so I'm glad that I got this, because at least it wasn't, and even with it, you could see right there, you could see some of it right there, like, see that? So imagine if I hadn't used this, this thing would have been covered all over the place. So yeah, I mean, I can see why OSHA implemented a whole dust free compliance rule. I'm not exactly sure what's in thinset or grout, but I know I don't want to be breathing that, so got my dust mask, my ear protection, and my goggles. Gotta have that PPE. Gotta have that PPE. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. It worked. It did what it was supposed to do. This is why I got this vacuum. It's not the one that I wanted, but I did the job. I got the job done. And yeah. So this Dremel diamond pad, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I was kind of worried that because it was attached with the Velcro to the sponge, that it wouldn't stay on, but no, it worked, and then they got it nice and clean. So yeah, I just gotta finish vacuuming this and mix the thinset and lay the tile, and then just set it, let it stay there for 24 hours, because we are going to install a pantry and then some additional cabinets where this mobile island is. Originally our realtor told us, no, don't add any, you don't need it, it's going to take away a lot from your kitchen, but yeah, now we need it. We need all the counter space and cabinet space we can get.